Hello everyone. So today we are going to integrate the menu system that we have implemented into the shooter project, ALS based shooter project. So here we have the settings, graphics settings, display settings, audio settings, gameplay settings, controls, everything I have already implemented in the menu system, which I put the link in the description to the complete playlist where I implemented the menu system, which is actually this playlist. I hope you have already seen these videos. So if I go to the new game, we have the game, and if I press pause button, we can get the pause menu as well. Here also we have those same menus. These all the menus are working. You can, if you want, you can just set it to low. You can see these shadows are not drawing because of low settings, quality is reduced, but yeah, they are working. And let me just quickly reset to default, apply, and these other settings are also working. So if I go to main menu, I will be back in the main menu like this. So yeah, this is what we are going to do today. This would be a bit hard if you are not familiar with the menu system I have implemented, because I'm not going into detail like how I implemented the menu system. Rather than I'm just plugging the required functions and copy the required assets from the menu system project into this project and just connect it with the existing blueprints of the shooter project. So yeah, but that's what we are going to do today. And okay, let's get started. Okay, so this is the project where I implemented the menu system. So if I play the project and go to settings, you can see graphics option, display option, audio, gameplay, controls, everything is there. And if I go to game, new game, I can even open a playable level as well. It's just working, which I have integrated this minimap system and the map system. So now what I want to do is integrating this menu system into our shooter project. So in order to make the menu system work, I have to use this HUD and player controller and game instance, because I have a couple of interfaces implemented which I use to communicate between HUDs and game instances and user settings and various in between various blueprints to enable the functioning of the menu system. So I think if I migrate, first of all, I have created a backup of my shooter project. This should like me menu test. So this is where I'm going to migrate this menu system related blueprints. So let's go here, and I'm not going to copy these characters because this only contains the meshes which I don't need in my shooter project, even though I have some references to those in these maps. So I hope it would crash. And here I still haven't implemented enhanced input system in the shooter project, but still I'll copy this enhanced input input actions and input mapping contexts because they are used in the menu system. I hope to integrate those also into the shooter project. Okay, and okay, right, should let me menu test contest, and if you select border, these things will be migrated. Alright, now this is my shooter project, and as I did have copied this main menu. Let me open it and play. Okay, looks like it's working, but I'm pretty sure we should get many errors. Yeah, access none, trying to read property call function, get options in initialize option, which is in here, gameplay options. So, oh, I have to use this game instance. The game instance that comes with the menu system. This one, game instance CodeLikeMe, because here we have a couple of functions like graphic settings, save audio settings, save gameplay options, these things that I have already implemented here to support the menu system. So to use this game instance, let's go to project settings, maps and mods. Here we have the default game mode. I'll assign game instance CodeLikeMe. Okay, by the way, if you want to know how did I implement these game systems and these option menus and everything, I have shown all the steps in this survival playlist, because this is where I initially implemented the menu system. Here you can see main menu, pause menu, display options, apply, save graphics settings, overall graphics quality, everything you need is here in this playlist. So I'm not going to go into detail on how I have implemented them here. I just want to integrate this into my shooter project. Okay, now controls, we don't have anything show up here. Oh, these are not initialized. Let me go back to the original project where I had this is the original project where I had the menu system, and here controls widget, IMC player, PMIC enhanced in PMIC control. Okay, let me just reassign them. Here, IMC player, we only have one variable, so not many, so it's easy. Okay, now we do get a couple of inputs too, but we have a lot more inputs than this, but still I haven't integrated, as I said, still I haven't integrated the enhanced menu system, so they don't show up fully, but other settings should work fine. To test that, we don't really have much here, so nothing to see. Let me just add some object like this, so we can observe the shadow. Graphics, if I make it low and apply, you see the graphics is vanished. See, because the settings are low. Does that show here? Yeah, it does. Okay. Oh, by the way, I just noticed that here global illuminations, reflections, effects and shading, these are not changed because I haven't integrated them into the menu system. I will do that and release an update to the menu system. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, these things should have been saved. Yeah, let me go back to epic settings and apply. Yeah, things are working, but Where is the menu? So when I play a new game, I should go to a game level here. Unclicked new game. I call in the game instance new game. New game. So I just opened the open world level. So yeah, let me change it to one of our ALS maps, ALS test map, let's see. Okay, game, new game, right. Now I am in the ALS test map, but for some reason my game inputs are not working. The reason should be in my menu system project, in the one world this map. Here I am using CLM menu HUD and CLM map player controller. Here I am using CLM menu HUD, and there I have a function called set game input mode, which I set the game to use set input mode to game only. So I'm not setting this part is not happening in my shooter project. That's why player inputs are not enabled. If I go to the ALS level, here I'm using this HUD shooter. Okay, so let me go to the other project, CLM menu HUD. I don't really need everything, but I need only a couple of functions here. Does this already implement any interfaces? No. Alright, as the first step, let's just set the input mode. For that, here what I do is set, let me add this, copy this, set game input mode, copy into here, go to functions, Control V. Right, now let's just call this in here, set game input mode. Now if I head back, open the main menu, play game, new game. Yeah, now my inputs are working. Nice, but I don't think my pause menu and everything is also working. If I press P, see, at the moment nothing happens. Actually I have set up both P and escape, but I can't use escape within the game editor because it just terminates the editor play session. Okay, let's go back to our menu project, and here default pawn class, where do I implement pause? Is it in the play controller? Yeah, input action IA pause. Okay, I can actually copy this. Not exactly, because at the moment I haven't set up enhanced input, so let me just copy this part, get hard post and call post game. So this part, and I'll just set a key event temporarily until I set up the enhanced input system, and I need to do that in the player controller for player controller of the game level. That means ALS player controller. Okay, let me just paste Ctrl V, and I'll choose for the moment P. Where are the key events? Here. But in our HUD, which is HUD shooter, we don't have a post game event. In order to have a post game event, we need to implement this BPI HUD. Actually, in the BPI HUD, we have a couple more functions, so we might need to set at least some of them to make it work. For now, let's implement post game. Oh, I have this BPI UI. So this is a little bit confusing. Therefore, I'll rename this one, instead of BPI HUD, BPI menu. Oh wait, I already have a BPI menu. Let me escape. Set default focus. I don't think that's important, so I'll call it BPI menu system. And to make it easier for me to copy from the other project, I'll change that name also, BPI menu system. Maybe not. Let's just keep it like it is. Right. Now here, because the reason I didn't change it is it could be confusing if you refer to previous videos and get this project, you wouldn't find the BPI HUD. So let's play. Now this should not be there. Why is it still not changed? Oh, post game. Right. Okay, now in the HUD, let's add PPI menu system, and let's see how the post game is implemented in here. By the way, we have a lot of widget hard, widget inventory, main menu, request, a lot of stuff are there. So we need to copy these variables into our project, into our hard blueprint, otherwise we will have errors. So we need to copy check focus, post game, go to menu, and here nothing important, and these functions: set menu input mode, set game input mode, show main menu, show game menu, show options menu, show post menu. Okay, so set game input mode, let's start from this one, copy, paste, set menu input mode. Now variables need to be created, and this one, set game input mode, which I have already created. Show main menu. Oh, something is missing here. Let's see what it is. We have a init main menu macro. Right. Let me copy that. Init main menu. And create this variable. Now we can use this macro here. I don't remember why I had to promote this to a macro. Maybe I'm using it somewhere else too. And here we already have the main menu. Show game menu. Copy, paste, widget game, create variable. It is created here. Show options menu, copy, paste, okay, this has to be created. Show post menu, copy, paste, post widget, create. Alright, all the functions are copied. Now let me compile and see if I get any errors. No, all good. Okay, what's next? Okay, now we need to, let's go to end graph, copy this, go to menu, and post game and focus. We need to create these fun events. We need to copy these events. Oh, we have request. So this is the yes no dialog, and I remember I initialize it in here, get request. So this is an interface event. Let me copy this first. Yeah, it's a good time to look into these interface events. Get requester, paste. Right. Create variable. Okay. Wait. Post game. This is coming from widget hut. Okay, let's go from beginning. First one is post game, but in order to do that, I need to have this go to menu. Let me copy this all three together. Go to menu, check focus, and post game. Maybe it would be easier if I have a different event graph. I'll call it event graph menu system. I did paste, but I can't see them. Why not? Control C, Control V. Check focus. Okay. Right. Let me cancel. Let me first copy check focus. This is not a custom event, right? Oh, it is a custom event. Okay. Right. Do we have any? Not a non-existing variables. Yeah. Otherwise the overlaps can mess up the code. Okay, all good, but go to menu. We need to implement interface events. Go to menu, event. And this one, okay. Pause. Event pause game. Alright, now let's play and see. Okay, things are working. Let me press P. Good, we got the pause menu. Let me press resume. Nice, everything seems to work except we got some errors. Access none, trying to read property request. This one I remember. Oh, git request is already called here. Oh wait, I was checking in the original project. Get request. Right. Press P. Okay. Apply. Right. Settings are working. See, shadows are lost because I changed to lower settings. Press P again. Reapply and resume. Shadows are back. Okay, things are working. Oh, what else we need to check? Going back to main menu. I closed it. Where is the pause menu? We are opening the main menu level. This should work. Open level. Let's use this one. Open level by object reference. It's the newer way, so I think it's better. Main menu, select it. Let's try a full cycle now. Pause. Main menu. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, now we are in the main menu. Okay, new game. Okay, now we are in the game menu. Nice. So, right, menu integration complete, but we still need to work on these controls because I haven't integrated enhanced inputs for the character, but I will do that in a future episode. For now, I'm gonna stop this episode right here, but before that, let me go to the main menu and I need to make it a look bit nicer. I just added a character so that when I am in the main menu, I can see the character like this. And yeah, okay, so that's it. I'm gonna stop this episode right here. Oh, we actually didn't test these audio menus, so display menus, anything, but they should work. Anyway, we are not fully done with this menu integration yet, so for now I think that this is enough. And thanks for watching. As always, project files will be available for the download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.